everyone! Welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Beth McGuyton and I am broker owner of Relocation Panama Real Estate. We are family owned, client centered, and have served the Pacific beach and mountain areas for over a decade. We are full service and we specialize in rentals, sales, and relocation. I am thrilled that you are here with me today, and I want to talk about a service that we have offered for many years that can be an incredible tool in your Panama exploration journey.
But first, let's talk about Panama, the land of endless possibilities. Panama is known for its stunning landscapes, rich culture, and a thriving real estate market. Whether you're looking to invest, retire, or find a second home, this country offers it all. And what better way to experience it than with the help of our expert team?
Working with relocation clients for over a decade, I fully understand everything that it entails. There is so much research needed up front, and the exploratory phase is probably the most critical. I've helped hundreds of people myself, but I've also met tons of people and had discussions on feedback of their experience and how they explored Panama. Through those discussions, I found out that majority of people do not prefer to sit on a bus for a week when someone else controls your schedule. People prefer a blend of self-exploration and tours. They want to have downtime, they want to have freedom to explore, to really delve into the community, but they also want access to someone who's knowledgeable on the area and can really guide them. Also access to properties that they may not have access to on their own. And that feedback and through those discussions is how our property day tours and really exploration journey was born.
Our dedicated team is passionate about making your Panama experience unforgettable. We've helped hundreds of clients explore, discover, and settle into this beautiful area of the country, the Panama Riviera. There are many things that set us apart, including our signature exploratory trip and full-day property tours. We offer a tailor-made exploratory trip that's just for you. When you decide to embark on this journey with us, you're not just looking at properties, you're immersing yourself in the Panama experience. We'll take care of your accommodations, ensuring that you have a comfortable and enjoyable stay, and provide you with tips of where to go and what to do on your own. The best part is, these trips aren't just about accommodation. They're about showing you the most stunning properties Panama has to offer. We'll take you on full-day property tours, giving you an up-close look at your potential dream homes. Can you imagine waking up to views like these every day? Our commitment doesn't stop at finding the perfect property. We're here to support you through the entire process. From connecting you with local experts, attorneys, or any other service providers you may need, we've got your back. You will never feel alone on this journey.
So are you ready to start your Panama adventure? It all starts with a simple conversation. Reach out to us and we will schedule a call to discuss your dreams, your visions, and start to put a plan into place to make them become a reality. Well, that's all for today, folks. I hope if you are beginning to explore Panama that you reach out to us and let us help your Panama dream become a reality. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can receive all of our Panama updates, and we look forward to seeing you in Panama soon.